Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys and gals how to somewhat properly clean out a vinyl record. Now this record here, I ended up grabbing at a yard sale. As you can see, it is in really rough shape, and that's just the cover. So I haven't even looked at it, so we'll be looking at it together. And there we go. As you can see, it is very filthy. If you can see that, see that, all those marks? Okay. Now, obviously, you don't want to play that. So here's how I do it. Now, I have here a spare turntable. I only use this turntable for exactly what I'm about to show you. So first thing I do, lay the record, move the arm just a little bit. I got here a brush. I've got some cleaning solution in a bottle. So I'll start just applying some like so, back and forth, and then grab that brush and then work that fluid into the grooves. And I do about 3 passes. That should be good enough. Now I have here a clean microfiber cloth. I folded it and then lightly press. As you can see, that wasn't direct drive. And then flip over to the other side, microfiber. And that's it. Let it dry out, and I'll show you. It's a lot better than what it was. Very clean. A lot better than what it was like that side. See that? Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Hope you guys have a good one. Cheers.